Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for always clicking to watch. Today I will be sharing with you another simple, easy and very delicious recipe made with ingredients readily available within your reach. Guys, let's give our potato and fish another twist. This recipe is a game changer, so let's dive right in. And so here I have my fish. I'll go ahead and cut into desired sizes. After cutting, transfer it to a clean water and wash thoroughly. After washing and they become clean, next thing is to season with any spice of your choice. To mine, I'll be adding some salt, some thyme, curry powder, chopped onions, and seasoning cube. Then go ahead and marinate the ingredients with the fish. After marinating, cover and set aside for about 40 minutes to an hour so that the ingredients can penetrate into the fish. And now to our potato. Let's peel our potato with potato peeler. And after peeling all the potatoes, cut into two and transfer into a clean water to wash. Wash them thoroughly and add to a cooking pot. Add water to the cooking pot. Cover and take to the stove top and begin to cook. And after 40 minutes of our fish resting, bring the fish back, add them to a cooking pot, and also take to the stove top to cook. As you can see, I'm not adding any water to it, so we'll cook with the juice from the fish until it is done. And also for this recipe, we'll be needing some fresh pepper and onions. So I'll chop them into smaller chunks behind the camera. And now that our fish is ready, I'll be removing them from the cooking pot. After removing them from the cooking pot, I'll set aside and then to our potatoes, which is ready too. Remove from the cooking pot and add them to a bowl. Then go ahead and mash smoothly with a potato masher. You can also use your fork to do this, or anything that you can use to mash your potatoes to be smooth. After mashing the potato and it becomes smooth, bring together with a wooden spatula. You can see how it looks like. This looks very smooth. So I'll go ahead and add the chopped green and red fresh pepper. To it also, I'll be adding some finely chopped vegetables. I'll also be adding some chopped onions, curry powder, chili pepper, seasoning cube, and some salt. And after adding all the ingredients, mix them together thoroughly until they are well combined. And once well combined, set the potato dough aside. And if you don't have fish available to make this delicious recipe, you don't have to worry, as you can also make this recipe with cooked eggs. So I have here two cooked eggs which I've already removed the shell behind the camera. So I'll go ahead and make an incision on the egg with a kitchen knife. Next, insert skewer stick on the cooked egg and set aside. Repeat the same process for the other egg, then set them aside. And now to the boiled fish. We're also going to be inserting skewer stick on them and set them aside. Once this is nicely done, we bring back our potato dough. Wash your hands to make them clean. Take some of the potato dough and place on your palm. Flatten the dough, then place the fish at the middle. Then carefully mold the potato dough around the boiled fish. You have to do this gently so that the fish doesn't scatter. Then rub between your palm to smoothen it and set aside. Repeat the same process for all the fish. And to the boiled eggs, repeat the same process. Mold the potato dough around the egg gently, then set aside. Once done with the process of molding the potato dough around the egg and the fish, this is how they look like. Now we'll move to the next step. As you can see, I have some beaten egg on a separate bowl. And I have also lined baking tray with a parchment paper. And now we'll be coating each of them with the beaten eggs. And after coating, transfer into the baking tray. Repeat the same process for all of them. After coating them, preheat your oven and then bake for about 30 to 40 minutes. And after 40 minutes of baking, this is how they look like. And here we have our well-baked potato fish roll and potato egg roll. They all came out very beautiful. I urge you to try this recipe to see how delicious it is. Once tried, you won't stop making it. Try this out today and let me know how it came out for you in the comments. This recipe is super delicious and very easy to prepare. One good thing about this delicious recipe is that you can enjoy it as your breakfast, lunch, or for dinner. I also like to let you know that this is special snacks that I like taking with tea. You can also pair it with any drink of your choice, whichever way it tastes very delicious. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more exciting recipe from Udu's Kitchen. Thanks for watching. God bless. I'll see you in the next one.